Creating a red, green, and blue color image from the grayscale narrowband images of the Hubble Space Telescope can seem a bit daunting at first. The filters for the Hubble Space Telescope are often recorded in numbers rather than the elements such as sulfur, hydrogen, or oxygen. In this case, I've downloaded the antenna galaxies, and using this visible light spectrum from the Britannica website, we can see how to assign these filters to the certain colors to create that red, green, and blue image. The file for red is 814. 814 for the wavelength of visible light is closest to the red color. Although here it is capped at 780, with 814 being in near infrared wavelengths, we still assign it to red. The green file is 550. 550 is in about the greenish color for visible light spectrum, so we assign that to green. And blue is 435. 435 is more on the purple blue side of the visible light spectrum, but we will assign it to blue. Using the visible light spectrum as a guide, different wavelengths for the Hubble Space Telescope filters can be assigned to different colors. Before I will combine my images, I will first do some level adjustments. You may also do noise reduction or sharpening or anything else you need to do to the grayscale image before combining them. Do this for each filter that you will be using. Then starting with the red channel, use Ctrl A and Ctrl C to select the image and copy it, then go to File and New. The image size will be copied to the clipboard. Make sure to choose RGB color for the color mode, and that is in 16-bit, then select Create. Go to the Channel tab, select the red channel only, and using Ctrl V, paste the red to that channel. Do the same for the green. And the same for the blue. Be sure to select RGB at the end to select all of the channels. The red, green, and blue color image has now been completed and is ready for further processing. Copying and pasting red, green, and blue into the channels themselves is the simplest and fastest way to create a red, green, and blue image.